Are you tired of ending emails with just your name? Well, in less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, professional email signature, specifically for Gmail, but you can use it for just about any email platform, even if all you want is your name, title, and website. Okay, let's get it done. Now, before we jump in, what I want to do is I want to jump over to my computer. But first, before I forget, I have created a download for you. It's 3 high converting email templates for entrepreneurs. So I want you to be sure and grab that after this video. I'll drop that link below. Okay, let's jump over to my computer. Okay, now we're inside my Gmail. And the first thing I want you to do is go up here and click on your little gear icon. Okay, then you're going to click on See All Settings, and you're going to scroll down to, let's see, right here where it says Signature. Now, if you don't have a signature in yours, it's going to be just basically one line like these above are. Okay, you won't see this little block and square here. What I've already done is I've put in just a default basic signature here for you. As an example, this can be renamed. And obviously, so once you name yours, you should have one that's just like a default. Once you've renamed that, then of course, I mean, once you've named it, you can always come back and rename it if you need to. Okay. And what I did, once you do that, you're going to, this is located under the General tab, okay? And then, like I said, I scrolled down to where it said Signature, all right? And then I did Create New. So you'll just create new, and that's where you will create, and then you just start typing in here. I just made this up. I'm not a marketing strategist. That's not what I call myself. But as an example, to highlight your website or your domain so it's clickable, to make it clickable, make it a hyperlink, you highlight it, and then you click the link and it will automatically do this, or you can change it. So if I changed it, you can see I can have the word say something different. Like if I wanted this just to say my website and not kathyschneider.com, I could do that. Or, visit my blog. It could say visit my blog right here. And then down here, I could actually type in / uh, blog, okay, and then apply. All right, so that would be, as an example, let's just do that. As an example, and then if I do that, you see it changes to visit my blog. Now, once you make any changes at all, you want to always do save changes, okay? So you would click and hit save changes right here. Now, when you do that, it takes you away from there. So to go back to it, which I do want to show you one more thing. Remember, you click the little gear and then see all settings. And then we're going to be under the General tab, scroll back down to where the signature is. And one thing that's really important that I want to point out is, in my opinion, you can test this both ways, but for new email use, I like to use a default. And then on reply and forwards, I'd like to use the default. And then I like this box to be checked where it says it inserts the signature before the quoted text in replies. Again, that doesn't make sense to you. Test it both ways so you can see what that looks like. And then always, anytime you make changes, you want to click Save Changes, okay? And so I definitely want you to do that. And now with this, you have a clean signature, right? That shows that you mean business, even if it's as simple as your name. So let me show you how this works. I'll start off with this email and I'm going to hit reply. And you see my email my signature automatically goes in here and I can start typing my message. Okay. Now, I had done it and then I would just type it out and then just send it like normal. Okay. Now, if I did not have that little box checked, this reply, my signature, all of this right here would show up down below the original email that I received, okay? It would be down like right here. So it's actually at the very bottom of the email, not at the bottom of what I'm actually saying in my email and responding to. So that's why I like that little box checked. Like I said, maybe for you, you prefer it the other way, you can try it both ways. And this is just to get you started and get you a really nice, clean, professional, looking signature. And then in the future videos within this series, I'm going to show you how to make things a little fancier and how you can dress things up. But my motto is just start simple and then just upgrade as you go. All right, in the next video, I'll be sharing step by step how you can add images and links to your email signature. And it should be popping up on your screen now. If it's not already available, it will be next Monday. Okay, so I do one each week. So I want you to be sure and subscribe to my newsletter so you get notified. I'll drop the link to that below. And remember, don't forget to grab that free download, 3 high converting email templates for entrepreneurs. I'll make sure that link is also dropped below for you.